Okay, so now I'm going to talk to you about LinkUp, which is another app that I've created, and it's going to show you my experience in web development using Python and Django. And so LinkUp, what it is it's a automator for LinkedIn posts. And then from those posts, you've got sales funnels and email marketing, and then through to a members portal. And so this is the landing page for the product. So you can see here you've got auto posting, which is creating posts, either video, image, or text posts, and then they are set to automatically post per day. Okay. From those posts, you've got built-in funnels, and then so the funnels are sales-based funnels. It gets people off LinkedIn and into your ecosystem, where you can do some nurturing and you can do some selling, persuasive selling through these sales funnels. And then so they click a link from the post, goes through to a web page, and now we try to get them into an email sequence. They sign up, we get them into an email sequence, an email campaign where we can continue the conversation off LinkedIn. And then this is the way of gaining organic traffic from LinkedIn and then onto your own ecosystem. How does it work? So we create posts for our clients. We take their context data, run it through AI scripts, and then we create posts from there. All right. If it's video posts, we take their existing YouTube videos, cut them up into 1-minute clips, and then repost them. And then we create all the text and the titles using AI. So this is set up with automation, and hopefully through this automation, it helps people to grow their brand on LinkedIn in an automated way, in an easier way. And then this is the pricing scheme here. Okay, so let me give you an example of how the funnel works from a web development point of view. So the first thing that happens is you've got these posts on LinkedIn. So this is an image post. And so if we have a look here, all of this is created with AI scripts, and then Python scripts. And then here you've got your links to sales funnels. Okay. And so if we click on one of these links, if they're interested in that offer, that will go through to the web page. And now we've got all these web pages, okay, which are built using Python scripts. They're really quick to set up, really easy. The content is created by AI. So now we've got them into the top of the funnel. Okay, so on these funnel pages, they can either be a email opt-in, where we take their email address and get them into an email sequence, or it could be a booking form where we get them onto a Calendly booking form where we can schedule a sales call with them, or it could be a checkout cart where we just redirect to a sales page. So if we look at this one here, this page actually redirects directly to a sales page. So this is the pricing page, and then from here you can choose which tier you want. And so if we choose the $30,000 tier, click on that, it goes through to the Stripe checkout cart, and then we take the payment from there. Okay, so let me show you some of the back end here. Once someone has signed up for an email sequence, then we can create emails here in this section here. So this email campaign has 5 emails. If we go into one of them and edit it, you can see there's a HTML editor where people can update the emails and make changes. If we go back here, we can send a test email. And then we go back here, we can go to the leads section. So this is a list of all the leads that have signed up for this email sequence. Here you can see there's 4 people signed up here. We can also send an ad hoc email to anyone on that list as well. Okay, and then from the back end, you can also view a web page, and you can edit a web page. So if we go in here, and then there's 4 sections of the web page that you can edit. Go into header, and then you can change things like set the URL, set the images here, and then these are the text on page that you can set. And then finally, this CRM has functionality where you can track your users. So if you go into here, into the site users, you can see who's signed up in here, and then you can access their payment